Hi, thanks for clicking on my video. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Tangela. I just wanted to share with you guys a very quick and easy fall DIY today. Let's get to crafting. Next time you're at the Dollar Tree, pick you up one or more of these foam pumpkins, some floral picks, and you can pick the color of your choice and the style of your choice. I just picked up some that were called Heather and Cat something, sorry. And then of course I picked up a fall maple pick that had the berries in it and the acorns. And I also got this tobacco basket, but that came from Kirklands. I got that last year on clearance. So what I did was just take my glue gun and I just hot glued this pumpkin to the center lower part of the basket because that's what's going to hold my florals. After I get it positioned in place here, you do want to give it a few minutes to dry. For video purposes, I was going just a little bit faster, so you know, it'll come loose a little bit on you, but after you let it dry, it holds very well. So I just took my wire cutters and I just cut my picks down a little bit so that they're not overtowering my basket. And I just took my gold floral picks and I put it to one side, and then I took my, I think they were like a deep purple color pick, and I just glued it to the other side. And I only used 3 picks for this particular decor. And as you can see, the picks went down into the pumpkin very easily, again because it's made of foam. And then I took that maple leaf pick and did the same thing, just cut it down, and then I stuck it down in the middle just to give it some symmetry. And what I did was just kind of spread them open or fluff them just to make everything look fuller. So after putting everything together, this is how it turned out, and I think it turned out beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you see here, I hope that you'll return, and I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. It would definitely help my channel grow, and I will greatly appreciate it. I'll see you all in the next video.